Hi everyone, welcome to the back my channel TechDo. Today we are doing fascinating world in AI and exploring powerful tools. Probably it's ChatGPT. It is the ChatGPT is conversational AI developing OpenAI. It is built in GPT 3.5 architecture, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. In simple terms, it is AI model trained the mass amount. Of the text from internet understanding, generating human-like text but does not work. It is the core of ChatGPT. Use something called deep learning specifications and types of modules and known as transformation process, text chunks, understanding contents, predictions, comment based. What are the learning allows generating and continuously relevant response wide range of problems. The casual conversion chart about anything, just like with a friend. Returning assistant get help with essays and stories or even poetry. Coding help, ask the coding tips and troubleshooting advice. Learn and research and get explain complication topics in quick summary. Adjust now it is important remember ChatGPT is perfectly response mighty lacks of depth, does not access time data knowledge base, which is the group of 2022. Ethics AI is the hot topic right now. While ChatGPT can be incredibly useful and corners about the misinformation basis, piracy, users be aware the issues that AI responsibility. It is so that you have to brief over the ChatGPT remarkable tool that can enhance communication, creative work. Like any technology, it comes with own set challenges. You found video helpful, don't forget subscribe and notification bell. More than content, AI technology. Thank you watching my videos. The ChatGPT is the train transfer and type of AI. The use method called transfer based deep learning generation text surprising natural and constant. It is core of ChatGPT build ChatGPT architecture stands generating train transfer. AI being trained by drivers and internet text does not know specifications of documented. You might be on the wondering that ChatGPT actually do well. It is used variety of tasks like writing, coding, even holding conversion, think in real advanced text generations, and that is assistant create writing answers, questions, much more. But not a ChatGPT continuously evolving. Each new version is getting better and understanding content and producing more relevant response. ChatGPT. ChatGPT automated chat service found customers service website. It can ask questions, request clarifications, and generate pre-trained answer. Generate artificial intelligence. ChatGPT discover algorithms such as the ChatGPT means text simultaneously videos recently breakthroughs in the field have potential. It is the approach content creation. What is the main purpose of ChatGPT primarily use neutral languages, understanding the generation, making valuable talks like a content creation, chatbot talks, and large depending on each shows to use. What is the ChatGPT full form? Generating pre-trained transfer developed AI with chatbot technology. It can process neutral human language, generate response, simplify. You can ask ChatGPT questions and will give you answers. The first 2022 is comparative data rank based response depth response. It is the ask questions based more than 300 billion words into the database, continuously learning answers, eventually getting trained, come up to the better answers, specify followings. This please subscribe my tech dude channel. Please like my tech dude channel. Thanking you once again, your tech dude.